Hi guys, today I will show you how to clone a website with WordPress and Elementor. And in this tutorial, we will clone a online poker website. So before we clone the website, we need to go through the website first and prepare the ingredients. And we can see that we need a logo, and this website have 5 pages. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 3 pages, and maybe this is a submenu only. So okay, and we need to check how many sections with this website. So this is the header section, the second section, the third section with the counting, the number 4, payment solution 5, and this is their blogs. So and the footer, and also we need to check how many color. So the purple, these 2 purple is not same. Okay, this is the same one, first color, second color, black, and some symbol, and the button color. Okay, so and also this orange color maybe. So we also have to build a floating chat button. So in this video I will show you how to install all the plugin and how to use the Elementor to build the layout like this in just only 30 minutes maybe. So let's start it. Okay, so now we will start to build our website, WordPress website, in our local machine first. So what I'm using, before I know this local WP, I'm using the SAM or MEM to create a local host and then install the WordPress. But with this local WP, you can simply install the WordPress development tool. You can simply install the WordPress with this local WP. So let's create a new site. Clone. Continue, and just using the prefer. Okay, so let's use the easy one. Admin, and you can change to your personal information if you want. So let's say pokerclone.com, and yeah, this is just a fake email. So okay, not multi-site, add site, and just sit at your place and waiting for this local WP to have you creating a WordPress site. So you need to wait for a while. Okay, and enter your password. So after download the WordPress, and you need to wait first because they need to download the WordPress first and then install for you. So I will pause the video first, and then after it's done, I will continue. So after install the WordPress site, you can see that local WP has assigned us a site domain, pokerclone.local, and you can also go to their settings to change to localhost if you want, and it will provide a SSL, and the web server you can change to Apache if you want, PHP version, database they are using the MySQL. So you can also access to your database with this adminer, but in this case, because we are just cloning a website, Elementor and Elementor Pro, so you can see that these 2 buttons, admin and open site. So we'll go into admin first, and it will prompt a Chrome tab. Okay, so our username and password is admin, and I've installed 3 plugins and the themes already. The themes and plugin, I'm using the Hello Elementor because we are using the Elementor Pro to create our website. And the plugin, I installed a classic editor, Elementor and Elementor Pro. So at first let's check our website first. Because of this Hello Elementor, very lightweight themes, so they will not provide any settings or any design for you. So just a vanilla WordPress themes. So that means we can change whatever we want. So the first thing is we need to create a page. So let's create home page. Okay, publish, and yeah, let's just create the 5 page to the menu. So home, reviews, deposit methods, poker tickers. So let's add new. So deposit methods, poker tickers, deposit methods, poker articles, and the last one is contact. Okay, so let's move to the appearance menus. Let's create the first menu, default menu. So we will let the home. Yeah, there's a review button because it's a sub menu. So let's create a review. Add to menu. Review is at here. Deposit methods, poker articles, and contact. And these two we will just remove it. Oops, this home is a custom link, but now the URL is okay, so we just don't take care of it. So create a menu. Okay, now our menu are created already. So we turn back to this home page. We go to settings, reading. We change a static page, home page, to our home page because we are designing the home page first. So we save it, refresh, and yeah, this is the home page right now. So edit page, and we edit with Elementor. So in here we can see that this is the section, right? There is a background video and one heading, second heading, and third heading. So let's get the color first. Let's open a edit. Okay, so we set the color. You can using Photoshop AI if you want, because I'm lazy to open the Photoshop and AI, so I just want to record it. So the heading color. So open the web inspector. Okay, so this color is yellow. Okay, never mind. Yellow, and this is the purple. Oh, it's using the global color, but it's okay. BBA EFA. Purple BBA EFA, and this color is I think maybe this using 0. Yellow on the same color, and the button text is brown. Okay, so after we know this, and we can go back to our site. First, hide the title by clicking the settings, and we can hide the title. So we will create a new section. And by the way, we go to the website, we close the inspector, we can see that this is a 100 VH viewport height. So we can also set this section to fit to screen, or maybe you can use your custom height. First box red section, minimum height, change this to VH and 100. And it got the 100 viewport height, and later we will change the header to the menu. So, and let's look back to this website, and there is there's one photos, one video background, and the heading. Okay, so we can use the inspector again. Check this. Need to find out where is the image. Yeah, so with the Chrome Inspector tools, you can easily find some materials you want. Okay, save images. Okay, after we get this, going back, and because of there is a left right section, so we need to create the inner column. So let's go back here and duplicate, and there's a heading and the second heading and a paragraph text editor here, and there's an image here. Okay, so let's upload the first image first. Okay, so add your heading text here. So we will need to copy, become best poker player, come to, okay, yeah, and there is also a 2 button here, right? So in here we need to add an inner section in here. So yeah, we have 2 columns right now. It will add a new row. So drag a button, copy and paste. So, and there is a video background, and I find the video background link actually. So in the first we need to style the font, and let's check what the font is using. So the font they are using is PT Sans Narrow and 100 pixels. Okay, so we go to the style. You will find the PT Sans Narrow and give it 100 pixels. Okay, it seems same already, and let's do this to another one. And we'll go to the light purple. This is the light purple color. Hashtag before it, and the yellow color is okay. So because these 2 color will use twice time, because there is lots of color here. So let's add it to the global color. Click the create new global color, yellow, and here we need to add another light purple. Okay, and this is also the light purple, and you can using the custom choose the light purple. Okay, so the video background is the video background section style. There is a background type, and there is a video. So we copy the video link. Okay. So if you want it to play on mobile, you can play on mobile. So but this is a little bit too bright, so I think I will add some overlay to this. So classic, and we add a color, so be darker. Yeah, and this looks pretty nice already. And so the button now, okay, so center it, and maybe blend, deposit, bonus. That means button will make it to the large button. Okay, so the font size, they're using PT Sans Narrow. Oh no, not PT Sans Narrow. So let's check what the font they are using. Nunito and 24 pixels. Nunito, 24 pixels. So the button is too big right now. Let's go medium, small. Okay, and let's change the color. Oops. The background color of this button, background color is this. Okay, and the font is the brown color. Oh yeah, we can use the global color, and the text color, yeah, brown color, and you can also do the global color brown. Okay, and in their website they are using the text decoration underline, so we also can give it underline. There's a style, and not style, decoration underline. Okay, so the second button is play lucky draw, and Elementor can easily copy and paste. So the two button is now same already. So last one is the image, so we can change the margin. So let's try bigger, maybe. And yeah, it almost feels same already right now. Let's make bigger, 200 maybe. Make it to 40%. Okay, so we made the heading section done already. So if I want to get this moving to the more right, then I can push it from the left, maybe 50 pixels. Okay, and the first section is done. So save it first, we update, and now let us create the header. So go back to the dashboard. We will go to the team builder, add new header, online poker header. So the online poker header, one for the logo and one for the nav. So let's first site logo and the nav menu. And nav menu, we got our default menu previously created just now. Okay, so click the column button here, vertical line, middle, center. Okay, so move to the right. Okay, so publish first. We will check how it look. Entire site, save and close. Oops. Okay, so you can see this. The first section is done, but the logo and all the menu font, we haven't been do it first. So let's get this logo first. The logo link. So we can get the logo. Okay, so how to add the site logo? Just simply go to the customize, and there's a site identity, select logo, and then you can simply upload your logo file. Select, skip cropping, and yeah, then the logo appear ready. Publish. Okay, so right now you can simply move your cursor to the edit with Elementor, and there's an online poker header. Click it, and we can direct access to the header that we want to edit. So first the logo, and it's too big, so maybe I'll give it a 12. Okay, so in this menu and this font, let's go Sense narrow. Okay, and the color is the yellow with the underline, and there's a hover effect. So the color yellow and the text decoration underline. So with the hover, so we no need the pointer, so animation group, pointer none, text, yeah, text, and the animation is the group. Yeah, so you can play around. Actually they got the background, frame, double line, overline, and you can try, but I love this grow, and the website is also using the grow, so you can using the grow to make the header. So let's update, open the website again, and yeah, so because you can see this previous website, there is a transparent menu, so we need to push the menu down to this section. So let's go back to our clone, and we can go to our header. We add a margin for it. So this is the bottom. We need this menu come down, right? So minus 120, sorry, and refresh. Let's check how it works. Okay, so it's not that nice. So we move more, 140, and refresh again. Okay, very nice. So right now, if it does the index, maybe 99. Up there again. Not nice enough actually, because I still can move my cursor, but never mind, we can fix this later. So the next one is we go along, create another one. So there's a step, register to the deposit. So we create another section. If you want to direct access, direct to edit this page, just click the edit with Elementor. And now create another section. How about we create all these sections? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Create, okay, and duplicate. So this is a 3-step. So we duplicate the column, and the next one is the counter. So this is four columns here. So let's remove it, and we'll give it one more column. And let's go back to here. There is a deals and a line divider, 3 review, payment solution. Okay, so there's a heading. Okay, and we also need to give it a divider, and there's a 3 column. So inside we'll give it an inner section of 3. So back to here, the payment solution is 6. So yeah, remove this, duplicate this, and new column 5, 6. Okay, so this is bills and this is deposit methods, if I didn't remember wrong, or payment solution. Okay, so let's create this step first. So this step, there is a I think I can create a column here. You can check how it's structured. Okay, in the section 1, 2. This is H2, and a paragraph. And I think this is a border. Okay, so let's get back to here. So in this case, I think I can give a inner section and the heading, another heading, and we can give it a paragraph. So this heading is 1, register today, fill in some simple details and go. Okay, so move to maybe 15, middle, center. So let's style this font. So this font is 100%, 100 pixels, PT sans narrow, yellow, PT sans narrow, 100 pixels. Okay, yeah, nice. I give you a 20. Okay, and this is white color, light purple, and the font is Nunito and PT sans narrow. Yeah. So this is the white color, so just drag and let's give it the purple color. So this section is using this deep purple. So let's give it the color, background color, and add a deep purple. Okay, and this is light purple. And now we need to, I think maybe give it a 22 maybe. Okay, sense narrow 24. How much is this? The font size 16, 16 and 16. 16 and 16. Okay, so let's give it the border color. So we only need the right border here. So unlink it, and the right, maybe give it a 5 solid. Sorry, there's a border radius. Okay, 5, and the color using the light purple. And yeah, looking pretty nice. And maybe we can give this register today some padding of 30. Hmm. 20 I think is better. Okay, yeah. So copy, paste, and paste, 2 and 3. So deposit and start pokering. Deposit and start pokering. Yes. And yeah, there's a link here. We'll do it later. Okay, update. So as you can see, we got the background video button and the steps at here, and we can also add the hyperlink at here if you want. And there's a deals. Oh, sorry. And there's one more counter. I haven't do it first. So head back to here, the counter. So there's one counter. Oops, the buggy here. So what is the counter? Here establish. So the separator dot title here establish. So 2015, and let's see their styling. I think this is the sans narrow, maybe same pretty sans narrow, 16 pixels and 100 pixels, yellow and light purple. Okay, so the number type of free is the pretty sans narrow with 100 pixels with color yellow, and the title will be same as pretty sans narrow with 16 pixels with color light purple, and the background color is it's another purple. So edit the background color, classic, add the color. So another purple. Okay, so copy, paste, paste, and paste. So we also need to check the height. The height is 300 pixels of the height. So let's give this 300 pixels height, min height, and 300. So oops. So the height of this is 200. Okay. Height is 200. Okay. How many player service? 100 and 1200. Okay, and they got a separator, so plus, and this is 17 million, and this 17 million is poker earnings, affiliate bonds. So poker earnings Okay, and 2 of there was 1, 2. Okay, update. So give it a refresh. And voila. So it's pretty easy if using Elementor to clone a website, and if you are a programmer, you need to type a long CSS to make this section done. So let's try to solve this header. I think this is too much, so 130. Still got some white space at here, so 140 I try. It's pretty good, and later we'll try to make this image smaller, and I think it's pretty good. So this image, try to change it to 180. Oops. Pretty good. So the header, okay, and I will stop for a while for some rest, and we will continue later. We will do the fixed header. It will follow my scroll, and let's finish the deal, payment solution, and the other stuff. Okay.